Have you wondered on your MG4 why does the range display doesn't show WLTP range when you fully charge? In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about the MG4 GOM display. On your MG4, there are quite a few places where you can check your range display. Right now, this one is on the center dashboard, showing 307 kilometers left. In the center, you can also click charging. And under the charging, you can see the range display, your battery remaining. On your MGI Smart app, you can also see the range display when you connect to the vehicle. There are generally quite a few factors that will affect the range display. The range display is your range remaining, but it's a dynamic range. And someone call it GOM, gas odometer. So that gas odometer will not show you the exact case every single time when you fully charge the vehicle or every single time when you drop to a certain percentage. Instead, based on your current driving and based on what you are using the vehicle, how you're driving the vehicle, that will fluctuate up and down to show you a close to real world range based on your battery percentage or battery remaining. Let's say right now we're on normal mode, the vehicle is drive at 307. We can click this button over here, that will change to sport. You can see the range drops. Then you can go up to snow, eco, that will increase, go normal, that goes back to standard. That's one of the ways to change the range display. Second way is about your aircon. Right now the aircon is on, so we have 307, aircon off, 323, aircon again, 307. If you go into the aircon, if you change anything about the aircon, that does not fluctuate. For some cars, they do give you actually realistic, but in this instance, even AC off, still 307, AC on, still 307, fan speed up and down, still around that figure. So just matter of fan blowing, then it'll fluctuate, affect the range display over here. Next part is probably the major part, is about your consumption. On the right panel, you can see your accumulated total. Under accumulated total, you can see your consumption, you can see your driving range, things like that. The consumption here, over here, does affect the driving range. If your consumption is low, that means your range probably will go up. Your consumption is high, your range will probably go low. So that's really affected by the driving consumption. If you do, you can reset this program by pressing hold. That's hold. That means that goes back to a low case than what we have. So after you start driving, again, that numbers will fluctuate again. So that's how to change your range display. It's not related to the battery degradation, by the way. Even if you get a new car, you charge it fully tonight, on the WLTP display, supposed to show 350 every single time when you fully charge the vehicle on this 51 battery, but it's not necessarily going to show 350 every single time. So no stretch on that if you're worried about that. Anyway, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll see you next video.